Today, we will look at 3 keys to unlocking love, but before then please like and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. The power of kindness. Girls appreciate kindness more than anything else. The small gestures of kindness that come from a man show that he cares and is willing to go out of his way to make her feel special. A kind word, a hug, or a surprise gift are all things that can make a girl feel loved and appreciated. Showing genuine concern for her and her well-being is a surefire way to make a girl fall in love. Taking the time to listen to her and understand her feelings, asking her how her day was, or offering to help her with a task are all ways to show her that you care and that she is important to you. Number 2. The power of romance. Girls love romance. Doing something special to show her that you care is one of the most effective ways to make a girl fall in love. It doesn't have to be expensive or complicated, it just needs to be thoughtful and show that you put some effort into it. Romantic gestures like writing her a love letter, sending her flowers, or taking her on a romantic date are all great ways to show her that you care. These gestures show her that you are willing to go out of your way to make her feel special and that she is important to you. Number 3. Power of laughter. Girls love to laugh. Having a good sense of humor and being able to make her laugh is one of the most attractive qualities a man can possess. A man who can make her laugh is a man who can make her feel good and put her in a good mood. Being able to laugh together and share a joke is a great way to bond and create a connection. It's also a great way to show her that you are confident and secure in yourself. Being able to make her laugh and show her that you can have a good time together is sure to make her fall in love with you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.